Hello and welcome. This is Stefan Page. Today I'm going to show you how to create a page on Facebook. We used to call them fan pages. So let me show you how this works. It's a very simple process. So you go to your Facebook account, you scroll down to the bottom of the page, and right at the bottom there's a couple items here, and one is create a page. So you'll want to click on whatever you're trying to design the page around. So in my case, I'm going to give you an example. Let's say I want to market a product, okay, and it's going to be health and beauty, and I'm going to call it anti-aging product. Let's just call it that way. Alright, get started. So I click on that. Alright, so the next thing I need to do now is I need to actually, I think it's edits. I'm just going to walk you through the steps here. And apps. Okay, so I need to add an app to this page here. Okay, so the first thing I do is I'm going to type in static HTML, and the first one here with 32 million, this is going to be the one, so I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go to app, alright, so add this application to, and I'm going to choose anti-aging product. Add static HTML iframe tab, so I'm going to click yes. Okay, so if I go here on the left side, welcome, it should actually show me the page, what it looks like, and this is where I'm going to type in my HTML code. Okay, so I have a document for you. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to copy this entire document here, and I'm going to show you how this thing works. Okay, it's pretty simple, but let's do this. Paste, save and view tab. Okay, and then viewer tab as a non-fan, and there you go. I've got my brand new page created. Okay, so that's all it is. So I can change this text, and I'm going to show you how to do this actually. But the first thing I need to do actually is that we need to basically, I think it's here, let me try to do this. Yeah, it's in the manage permissions. Okay, so whose default landing page, there we go. Okay, so under the manage permissions, I want to do the welcome. Okay, this is the way it's named. I'm just going to change this. So that's probably in the apps. Let's see. Yes, okay, if I go in the apps, I can go and edit settings, custom tab name. This is what, instead of seeing, people see on the left side of your page, welcome, they would see the name of my page. So anti-aging product. Save. Is it saved? Leave blank, use default. Okay, save. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to view page. Yes, you see here? So it's called now anti-aging. So where did I go to do this? Let's just recap. I think it's here. I'm still, trying all kinds of things here. So just bear with me here. Edit info. Yeah, looks like that's where it was. Okay, so let's go back here. So if I go to edit info and I go to my apps, This is where I would click on edit settings and I would change the name. Okay, then I go back to page. Alright, so as soon as you're on that page, you just go to edit info and you choose the apps and you change it. Okay, so you can change the name of your apps, okay, here. And if you go to manage permissions, you want the default landing page to be this. So when people visit your page, they actually visit this exact page. They don't go to the wall, they go to the capture page, okay, that we just designed. So let's go back here and let's say I want to see it. Okay, so it shows me my code right here and I say that's good, the code is good. View your tab as a non-fan, because if they're not a fan, I want to make sure they're able to see it. And there you go, that's my page here. Okay, so if they click, they're gonna land on my capture page basically. Alright, so that's it. That's how it works. So the code, if I just minimize this, and I minimize this one, I'm just going to share with you what all of this is. Okay, so this button here, the one at the top with number 1, the arrow, this is the address of this arrow. You could host this arrow on any website. If you have hosting, you could host it, or just use this one. Alright, I just gave it to you so you can use my arrow and you have the code for it. Okay, now there's the font family, you know, all of this. So this gives you this text here. Okay, so I have all of this here. So the size, everything is there, so you can change that if you want. Now the free, you see it's in red. Well, this is what it is. Okay, so that's why I have this. Alright, this code here, this piece of code is actually generating this color. And it's, you know, span, it begin, span, it stop, and then begins the new text here. So you can change this text here. You can put a break, page break. You see there's a BR here. Well, you don't have to. Well, actually, you see secret, report. Report gets on the other line. So I should actually put the bracket, the BR, somewhere else. Okay, I should put it probably after the aging reverse. Yeah, so let me put this here. Okay, so if I put that here, you should be fine. But anyway, this gives you an idea, okay, of what you can do with the brackets, and you just test it. Alright, so the background, again, span, background, and then in the brackets is what's written here in yellow, and then the span again, the stop. You see the forward slash is here. It's because it stops this code here of the background, okay? And then BR is again, it's a new paragraph, or a new line actually, with a simple daily tweak, and there you go. Okay, so that's how it works. Now there's the image here. Okay, now this image, this is what I suggest you change to your own image. This is the image, this image here. So you would need to actually change it to what you want. Okay, so if you want something here, you find it on the web and you find the address of that image and you just paste it here. The size of your image, okay, if you don't know the size, or if the size is already good on the internet and that's the size you want, you don't want to change it, well, of the image, you just basically delete all of this. Oops, right here. Okay, so with the width and the height, you just erase this, and it's going to take the default setting of the image you uploaded or you found online. Okay, and at the bottom there's the arrow here. So again, you don't need to upload an arrow on any web page. It's already there, so you can use that arrow. The code is good. And then there's the image at the bottom, which is this one. There's a piece of code here that I need to add. I can see it's not there, but it should actually actually, I'm sorry, this image here is this arrow here. Okay, that's good. This one here, I need to add a piece of code, and you'll get it in the document I'm going to share with you. but the piece of code that I need to add is going to be the address where when people click here, they are redirected to an address. It's an href. So href. So this is where you want people to be sent. Again, the button, this button is here hosted on my website. You can use that, so you don't have to change this again. Only the href, which is going to be where you want to redirect people when they click to that site. So you'll send them. Mine is going to be showing stefanpage.com. So you'll want to change that to your own web page. That's it. That's how you set it up. And now you've got your brand new fan page on Facebook ready to work. Hope this has been helpful. Talk to you soon.